So in this video we will be learning about partial derivatives. So in normal derivatives, if we have equations like y equals to x square plus 2x and all, so how we will differentiate that? We will differentiate this by dy by dx equals to d by dx of x square plus 2x. The differentiation of this is 2x plus 2. Now in this type of question, now we have to differentiate u equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. Now here we have two types of variable, so we have to partially derivate this. Now we will derivate this first with respect to x. So if we are we are differentiating this with respect to x, so what we will get, curly by curly x of x cube plus now we have y cube. Y cube will be constant because, and we will differentiate only curly by curly x of 1. Why we will take it constant? Because we have to differentiate with respect to x, so other variables will be taking constant. Now here we have 3xy, so we will take 3y as constant, curly by curly u of x. So that will be equals to, the differentiation of x cube is what, 3x square plus y cube. Differentiation of 1 is what, 0 into 0 plus 3y into 1. So what we will get, we get 3x square plus 3y. This is the partial differentiation with respect to x. Now we will differentiate it with respect to y. So what we will get, curly by curly y of x cube, not x cube, x cube will be constant, curly by curly y of 1 plus curly by curly y of y cube plus 3x constant into curly by curly y of y. So what we will get, we will be getting x cube plus, this is x cube into 0, 0 y, because the derivative of 1 is 0. So this is 3y square plus this is 3x and differentiation of y is 1. So this is 3y square plus 3x. So differentiating u with respect to x, we get 3x square plus 3y, and differentiating u with respect to y, we get 3y square plus 3x. Now the some of the important questions are, question number first, u equals to a x raised to the power alpha y raised to the power beta. This is what, this is our Cobb-Douglas function. Cobb-Douglas function. Now this is also a property of Cobb-Douglas function, that if we have to derivate this curly u by curly x, how we will derivate that? We have to derivate curly u by curly x, so this will be a y beta curly by curly x of x raised to the power alpha. Everything remains constant and we have to derivate just x raised to the power alpha. So the derivation of this is a y beta, alpha comes out, into x raised to the power alpha minus 1. So this becomes a y beta alpha a by beta x raised to the power alpha minus 1. So this is the derivation of u with respect to x. Now we have to find u with respect to y. U with respect to y, so this will becomes a x alpha curly by curly y of y raised to the power beta. As we have to differentiate with respect to y, so we will differentiate only the variables of y. Other variables will remains constant, so this will becomes a x alpha beta y raised to the power beta minus 1. So this will becomes what, this is beta a x alpha y beta minus 1. This is the partial derivative of this. Now we have another question, as question is, we have z equals to 2x square plus 6y into 5x minus 3y square. So we have to differentiate this. So let's solve this question. So curly z by curly, we have two variables here, x, variable y, so we have to differentiate z first with respect to x. So we can write this as curly by curly x of 2x square plus 6y into 5x minus 3y square. So this is the property of u into v. What is the differentiation of u into v? This is u into curly by curly x of v plus v into curly by curly x of u. We will applying the property of simple differentiation here, as we have curly by curly x of u into v. So we will applying the properties. This will be curly by curly x of this will be 2x square plus 6y into curly by curly x of 5x minus 3y square plus 5x minus 3y square into curly by curly x of 2x square plus 6y. So this will becomes 2x square plus 6y into curly by curly x. This becomes differentiation of 5x is what? Let's write curly by curly x of 5x minus 3y square into curly by curly x of 1. Why we will take 3y square as constant? Because we have to differentiate with respect to x, and we will consider 3y square as constant, plus 5x minus 3y square into curly by curly x of 2y square plus 6y into curly by curly x of 1. So this will becomes what? 2x square plus 6y. This is curly by curly x of 5x is 5 minus differentiation of 1 is 0. So 3y square into 0 0 plus 5x minus 3y square. This is curly by curly x of 2y square. This is 4y. So sorry, this is 2y square, not this is 2x square. This is 4x plus 0 plus 0. So this will be equals to 2x square plus 6y into 5 plus 5x minus 3y square into 4x into 4x. So this will becomes what? 10x square plus 30y plus 20x square minus 12xy square. So what will we get? 30x square plus 30y minus 12xy square. Similarly, we will differentiate with this with curly z by curly y, and we will get minus 12x square y minus 36y square plus 30x minus 18y square. This is the partial derivative. Now let's solve one or two more important questions for that, as we have to differentiate 1 by root x square plus y square z equals to, so curly z by curly x is equals to curly by curly of x square plus y square raised to the power minus 1 by 2, and into this is we have to differentiate this. So what will be its differentiation? Minus 1 by 2 into x square plus y square minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into curly by curly x of x square plus y square. How we will get? We get this by chain rule. First we will differentiate this whole term, then we will differentiating the inner term. So this will becomes minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square raised to the power what? Minus 3 by 2, and if we differentiate this, we will write it as curly by curly x of x square plus y square into curly by curly x of 1. So this will becomes what? Minus 1 by 2. This is x square plus y square raised to the power minus 3 by 2. This is 2x plus 0. So our final answer will be minus 1 by 2 x square plus y square raised to power minus 3 by 2 into 2x. Similarly, we will differentiate it with respect to y, and we will get our answer as minus y x square plus y square raised to the power minus 3 by 2. This is our answer. So this is all for partial derivative. Now this is first order partial derivative. If we have to find second order partial derivative. So let's solve this. What we have to do, we have to do curly by curly x of curly u by curly x, that equals to curly square u by curly x square, or we can write f of xx or u xx. If we have 2x, that means this is of order second. If we have 1x, then it is of, this is also of second order. If we have 1x, then it is of order 1. So this is for our second order partial derivative. Suppose we have a question, we have u equals to 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square. We have to find f of x, f of y, f of xx, f of yy, and f of yx. So let's solve this. F of x means we have to partial derivate this u with respect to x. So curly by curly x of u, this is equals to curly by curly x of 2x square plus 4y, curly by curly x of x plus 5y square, curly by curly x of 1. So this is 4x plus 4y plus 0, that equals to 4x plus 4y. Now we have to find with respect to y curly x of y, that equals to curly by curly, this is 2x square because we have no function of y here. So curly by curly u, curly x of 1 plus 4y 4x, curly by curly u of y plus what, we have curly by curly u, curly x of 5y square. So that will be 2x square plus 4x plus 10y, 2x square plus 4x plus 10y. Wait, 2x square, sorry, this is 0, so this is 4x plus 10y. Now we have to find f of xx, this is f of y. Now we have to find f of xx, that is curly u square u by curly x square. So curly square u by curly x square, so we have curly by curly x of curly u by curly x. So curly u by curly x is our curly by curly x of 4x plus 4y. So that will be equals to curly by curly x of 4x plus 4y, curly by curly x of 1. So curly by curly x of 4x is what? This is equals to, we can write this constant here is a constant, so we can write it x 4 here. So that is equals to 4, because derivation of x is 1 plus derivation of 1 is 0 plus 0, that is equals to 4. This is our fxx. If we have to find fyy, that will be equal to curly square u by curly y square, that is curly by curly y of curly u by curly y, that equals to curly by curly y of what, 4x plus 10y, that is equals to curly by curly y of 4x, sorry, this is 4x into 1 plus curly by curly y of 10y, that is equals to, this is 0, 4x plus 10, 4x into 0, 4x into 0, that is equals to what, 10. This is our fyy. Now we have to find fyx, that means curly square u by curly x into curly y, that is curly upon curly x into curly u by curly y. If we have like fyx, that means we have to take first order as curly u by curly y, then second order as curly u by curly x, that means curly u by curly x, and u is replaceable by curly u by curly y, that means first order one. So this is curly by curly x into curly u by curly y. So curly u, curly by curly x, curly u by curly y is what, this is our 4x plus 10y, 4x plus 10y. So this will be equals to curly by curly x of 4x plus 10y into curly by curly x of 1, that is equals to 4 4, this is our 4. Now we have to find f of xy. F of xy is equals to what? Curly square u by curly y into curly x, that is equals to curly upon curly y into curly u upon curly x, that is this here and this here. So this will become what? Curly by curly y of curly u upon curly x is what? Curly u upon curly x is 4x plus 4 y, 4x plus 4y, that equals to 4x curly by curly y of 1 plus this is 4y, this is sorry, we will take 4 as constant, curly upon curly y of y. So this is 4x into 1 0 plus 4, that equals to 4. So this is our answer.